This is Module 5, Lesson 21 for Fluency, and we're going to just a very short one today. We're going to be adding some fractions. So if you're looking at this first number sentence, I am hoping you already have the answer in your head, remembering, of course, that we're going to have our 10 as our denominator, and all three of them have that, so we can go ahead and add them. On top, we have 5 plus 3 plus 1 for our numerators, and 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Oops, somehow. Alrighty, let's look at this next one. Again, 5/8 plus 2/8 plus 1/8. We have our 8 as our denominator, which we're going to keep without changing, but our numerators are going to change. 5 plus 2 plus 1, and that is 8, and we know that that is equivalent to 1 whole. Just as a reminder, if we were to look at this and draw a tape diagram or a model of it, and we were to divide that into 8 parts, so let's just do it that way, and we're going to add them together. So we're going to add 5/8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5/8. We're going to add 2 more 8s, 2 more 8s, and then 1/8. And you can see that that is equivalent to 1 whole. And that's the reason also why our 8 in our denominator, we have to have the same denominator for all of them in order to add them together. So there's that. And then this last one, we have all in thirds. So go ahead and complete that. 3, the denominator, and 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So remember, we're going to put that into simplest form. We're going to move it into a mixed number. 3/3, which is equivalent to 1, and we're doing thirds because that's what our denominator is. And then if we have 3/3, we still have to add 2/3 to get it to equal 5/3. So we have 1 and 2/3. And that is the end of our fluency for today.